Now just have a little listen to this, what's just arrived. What a car this is. 68 plate Mercedes GLC 63S Edition 1 in Magno. Extensive Mercedes service history, and it's just an unbelievable little four-wheel drive for performance, exciting, 510 horsepower, 4-litre V8 bi-turbo, great engine, noisy, but it's got the looks. With it being that Edition 1, it's the yellow styling, it's the interior, which I'll show you later in the video. Meticulously being looked after. Look online at the pricing as well, because it blows every other GLC 63S out of the water the way we've priced it. The colour, selenite grey, not a wrap, paint, watercolour, and people love a matte finish. Then you've got the beautiful forged wheels. You've got the circular ring around the alloy in yellow. If you look at them, you've got ceramic brakes as well, which are fantastic. Especially, you know, the car's a powerful engine, 510, it's quick, but them ceramics just add to that whole experience. You've then got them gold calipers. They've been paid for as an option. Now, the car's an Edition 1, so we've got the yellow stripe on them mirrors. You've got the skirts. Now, the car comes with the night package as well, so things like black mirrors, black surrounds, the skirts along the bottom of the doors there as well, privacy. It's a great looking car, and it's an S, so you know, when I show you inside, you've got everything. Big rear diffuser, sports exhaust, which you've just heard. It's a rare car, and it's a 68. It's done 28,000 miles, so it's not a new car. So you get a great car with great performance. It's been meticulously looked after, and it's rare. We don't get stuff like this what arrives. We might get one every 3 to 6 months. Now look at the interior. So you've got this beautiful yellow stitching. You've got the quilted door cards. You've got them quilted seats with that cross stitching in yellow. You've got your Burmeister sound system. You've got ambient lighting running throughout. Look at the backs of them seats. And you've got them sports seats as well. Glass roof. Exciting little car. Really fun to drive. Keyless entry. Walk to the car and the car opens. And then you've got all the other little features. You can see your speakers, your heated seats, your memory seats. Look at the kick plates with AMG. They illuminate. And then you've got these wonderful sports seats. You've got the carbon fibre interior. You've got the Alcantara steering wheel. It is a lovely example as well, because sometimes when cars are of this age, they've got to have been looked after, because trust me, we don't need to retail a 68 plate GLC 63 like this. If it's not nice, we'll just trade it on, because if you look at our stock, a lot of our stock is for new cars or nearly new. So this car's lovely. It's been looked after. You can tell by the interior. We've inspected it. It's in really, really fantastic condition. You can see the Alcantara steering wheel with the AMG Edition 1 on there. You've got the yellow dials. Look at all the stitching. And then you've got that carbon fibre which runs along this centre. Yellow stitching on the armrest. Seats are superb as well. I've tilt and slide panoramic sunroof. And then I'm just going to show you other little features. So you've got, obviously we've got our paddle shifts, reversing camera system, navigation, that's the big one, switchable sports exhaust, and then you've got all the different driving modes. You can put it into Sport Plus, you can do it individual as well. You've got just fantastic extras, everything you'd want on one of these really, the sound system, the sunroof, the carbon, but just that Edition 1 makes it that little bit more special. And we've warmed this car up. It just sounds absolutely tremendous, the car. It's outstanding. Still, as well, it's practical. You've got decent space in the back. You've got a decent boot space as well. Electric tailgate. You can see, you know, this is a good indication our car's been looked after. See these metal sections here? They always get marked and scratched and worn. And if you see there, that gives you an indication that the car's been looked after. It's a wonderful example. It's an Edition 1. It's going live on our website. It's priced on the money to sell. Give me a call. The number's on the bottom of the screen.